here with my family for a trip from Bangalore to Pondicherry, and we reached here at 1:47 p.m. And earlier we were on Rocky Beach because we were early. That's why, and our check-in time was almost 1 p.m. something. So till then we went to the beach, and now we are here if for our stay. And this is my sister. Say hi. Hi. So this is my first experience in the Airbnb personal means private property, and so let me show you where we are staying because you might also wanna come to Pondicherry and wanna know how it is. The place name is Dancing Cactus, and I will show you a thorough visuals of this property so that before coming here you may have an idea of how it is, and then you can surely select this place for your next trip. So let's go. Start from here, from the entrance. It's locked. This is the door. This is the main door, and this is a lawn where we can sit and chill for some time. Then here from starting, this is the entrance door of the Airbnb. As we enter, we have this section to keep our shoes, footwear, whatever. And from here we have the kitchen area. So here we can dine. And here is the kitchen. Kitchen is like a circle form, and we have microwave, toaster, induction, and some utensil, crockeries, basin, RO, and more glasses. And this is the fridge. Fridge is small. Small means like medium. This is the cupboard. We can keep here our things. So here they gave us the bed sheets. This is the view of the kitchen, and outside, as you can see, this place's name is Dancing Cactus. So you can see there are so many cactus around. Yes. Okay. So after the kitchen, we have our very own pool. Yay! It is not too deep, not too shallow, but okay. When we will enter the water, then we will show you how much deep it is. So to enter the pool, we have this little gallery here, and we can enter from here and have a party, pool party. It is sufficient for family of 5 and 6. It is a small pool. Okay, this is the back area, and we also have a washing machine. See, let's see inside. After this, we have our first bedroom, and in bedroom, this is my mom, my buddy mom, and Aniket. We also have an AC and cradle. What we call this? Cradle. Then this is the bathroom. Very small bathroom, but chic. Basin, and we only have mirror in the bathroom, not in the bedroom, so that's a drawback. Let's go. A little dining table, and from here, if we go upstairs, it's a small painting. When we go upstairs, we have a little gallery to peek and to chill here. I think it is not open, but you can see here, this is the ladders to go up, and there is a small terrace and one tank. is the gallery, and from here we have the second bedroom. And when we enter the second bedroom, we have another AC, a small cupboard, one bedroom, and we also have a spare mattress. This is a small table from where we can work. We can make this our workspace if you want to work during the weekends or vacations. This is a drawer type something. And this is the second bathroom of this bedroom. Not this bedroom, this whole house. This is also small but chic. Okay. Not very good and not too bad. Not good but not nice. That's it. This is a mirror. Small basin. So that was all. And some things that you should know about this place. A light inside. There are several lights, I think 2 or 3 lights in the pool. And there is one base system here who has a lift. And I have covered everything that I know about this place. And I hope you have an idea of this place so that you can plan your trip for here for this Airbnb, because we need to be very sure, because we are paying a hefty amount. So before paying it, we must know first that is this place really worth it. So for that you can surely watch my video, and after that you can book this place. And thank you for watching, and may you have your trip here. This is a very nice place. Pondicherry is a really nice place to visit, so do come here. Bye.